to my channel Jane10's Lifestyle. I trust you're all doing well. I'm doing well myself. So today's video is going to be about shepherd's pie. It's cold outside, it's dark, and you just want something really heartwarming. So before I get on to doing the recipe, I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and if you watch all the other videos that I've done before, and if you haven't already pressed on the bell button, please do. It makes such a big difference on my channel, and you get notified every single time that I upload a video. So with that said, I am going to take you over to the other side, and I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm using. I'm going to start first of all actually by prepping all the vegetables, and then going on to start cooking this dish. It looks like it's a lot of work, but it's actually very simple to do. So yeah, let's go over to the other side. Come on guys. The next thing I'm going to add is some cheese. So here I have red mature cheddar cheese. Just sprinkle that nicely. So as you can see, my shepherd's pie is finally done. It looks amazing, as you can see. So I am just gonna serve it up. So I'm really happy with the results for my shepherd's pie. That's how it looks like, and yeah, I'm just gonna serve it up. We'll be having this with some salad. So hope you enjoy, and I will be talking to you again on the next video. And if you do try it, let me know how it turns out. And yes, I am going to enjoy this shortly.